and leave you hit. Get out.
They fucked you up, didn't they? What the hell did they do to you?
So you're in front of a moving train?
No reason? Beat the shit out of you? You know, you can say this place is bullshit. Bullshit. Huh? Bullshit!
You're wasting my fucking time. Why are you here?
I don't know, so hit me.
Why are you here?
I had a shit life, so why wouldn't I? I'm gonna kick your fucking ass! I don't know what you want me to say.
Why are you here?
I don't know!
Why are you here? Why are you
I
here?
don't know why I'm here.
Why are you here? What did you say?
I said I don't know who I am.